We're looking at a premium motherboard designed to deliver exceptional performance in desktop system. It allows you to customize the appearance of the system with different effects and color combination. The motherboard also features a number of ASUS exclusive software features such as AI Suite 3, which offers an intuitive and easy-to-use interface for system setup and optimization, and Sonic Studio 3, which provides high-quality surround sound for an immersive gaming experience. The motherboard also features Fan Expert 4 advanced cooling technology, which ensures efficient and quiet system cooling, and pre-installed I/O shield technology that prevents accidental damage to components during installation. This ASUS motherboard has an Intel LGA 1700 socket, which makes it compatible with 13th Gen Intel Core processors, as well as Intel Core, Pentium Gold, and 12th Gen Celeron processors, so users can choose the processor that best suits them and their needs and get the optimal performance of their system. The Intel LGA 1700 socket is easy to install and ensures a secure and stable connection between the processor and the motherboard. Also included in the mix is a set of 4 DIMM slots that allow a maximum memory capacity of 128 gigabytes and a dual-channel DDR4 memory architecture for higher speed and performance. Furthermore, the OptiMem 3 technology used in this motherboard improves memory stability and reduces signal interference, ensuring optimal memory performance and a smoother user experience.